gloss without Versagel. Thickest, glossy. So this is Versagel, way more tacky. How to make lip gloss without Versagel. So here are the 2 ingredients. So here are the first 2 ingredients that you're gonna need. So this is OC. This can be used in all types of products related to skincare. I've talked about this ingredient a few times on my channel. It is really popular when it comes to making lip glosses and any type of cosmetics. I will put, you know, the benefits on the screen and basically what it is. OC gives the skin a soft and smooth feel and appearance and helps skin stay hydrated. It is key to making higher quality lip glosses. If you want to boost up your lip gloss game, like making lip gloss, invest in some of this. This is the second ingredient, y'all. I took out the labels because they were like really irritating me, but I have like the logos like right here. So this is P250. Once again, this is used for a lot of skincare, and if you want to upgrade your lip gloss quality, highly recommend investing in some of this. So yeah, I'll put the full name up, of course, and the benefits of it and what it does. P250 is a skin conditioning agent, and it is a nice substitute for mineral oil. This is the real star of the show. This is P1200. If you want to upgrade the quality of your lip glosses, this is gonna be like, this is a way better version of Versagel, even though like they do share like that same ingredient. So yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all basically the texture of this. This is honestly, if you want to make high quality lip glosses, and I'll just show y'all how thick the texture of this is. Like, this is no joke, and this is really like, this is no joke. This will give you the thickest, glossiest, shiniest lip gloss ever known. It is so nice to use, and this will kind of be like what will substitute that gel base. This is really nice, so highly recommend investing into that. So yeah, this is the star of this recipe. So let's get started in how to make lip gloss without Versagel. How to make lip gloss without Versagel and without coconut oil with only 3 ingredients. Started. Once we got this, since we got the ingredients out the way, let's get started. And I'll put a list of some other things that you're gonna need for making this. So let's get started on this recipe. This is Versagel P1200. You can literally see the difference. This one is way more tacky than the Versagel. So I'm just showing y'all the difference in the two.